Question number 26. A mass at the end of a vertical spring and a simple pendulum, vertical spring and a simple pendulum performs oscillations on earth. They are simple harmonic with time period t. Okay. T spring system, the formula is given by 2 pi into root of m by k, while that for a simple pendulum, I'll write SPR here, and this I'll write as TP here, is given by 2 pi into square root of L by G. Okay. Both the pendulum and mass spring system are taken to the moon, right? Okay, the acceleration of the free fall on the moon is smaller than that of the earth. Okay, so it says G on moon is less than G on earth, correct? What is correct about the time periods on both the places? See here, in case of moon, the spring will not show any effect because you see it does not depend on the value of G. So hence spring mass system will have the same time period. So therefore these two are incorrect, and amongst this you need to choose. And in case of the simple pendulum, you observe this G has an effect. Now what is being shown here, it says that G on the moon is less than G on the earth. It's coming in the new denominator over here, which means that T on the moon should be greater than T on the earth, right? Which means it should be greater than T. Simple pendulum should have a larger time period. So B is right answer.